To conclude this program, you will now learn about cold chisels and the procedures for chiseling. For general purpose work, the flat chisel is mostly used, although other tip designs may sometimes be required. Chisels are designed to be struck with a steel hammer on one end, and the shock transmitted to the cutting edge, which bites into the material. Coordination of eyes and hands is extremely important when using chisels. Because there is a high risk of eye injury, it is vital that you wear proper eye protection for all chiseling operations. All loose workpieces must be held very securely in a bench vise, and your cutting mark close to the jaws. A firm hold on the chisel body must be maintained. Give an accurate aim with the hammer onto the striking end. Watch the chisel tip, not the striking end. Typical applications for cold chisels include cutting material where a hacksaw is not suitable or available, or for the rough removal of material prior to filing. When cutting flat surfaces, keep the tip angle slightly above parallel to the work surface. Move the tip from side to side to ensure that material tears away evenly. Now, as with most tools, you will need to practice. After the practical break, you will learn about chisel maintenance.